Hi everyone. This video is designed to help you to download Microsoft Excel to your computer so that you can use it to complete your project. The instructions that you're given for your Excel project are given using the desktop version of the application. So you're going to want the desktop application instead of using the online version. So to get a copy installed on your computer, if you do not already have one, you, as a Nightingale learner, have access to be able to do this. You're going to go to your Microsoft account. So in Google, I'm searching for Microsoft 365 login. First thing that comes up is going to bring me here. Now, I was automatically logged in, but you might have to log into your account. You're going to use your Nightingale email address and your Nightingale password, the same single sign-on that you would use to get into your email or to get onto Canvas. That is the username and password that you're using. Now, on this home page, in the top right, you're going to see Install and More. So you're going to want to click on that button. And then the first option is to install Microsoft 365 apps. So you're going to click on that. And it will bring you to a page where you can install Office. Okay. So it knows that I'm on Mac OS, so it's giving me the version for Mac OS. If you wanted it for a different type of device, it would automatically know that you're on a PC instead of a Mac, and that version would be available when you click Install Office. So when we click, the download starts, and we're all set. Just follow the prompts once it's downloaded, or click on the file in the downloaded part, and it will install on your computer. I hope this helps.